Have you ever wondered why so many young families in America still don't own a home, despite having had multiple opportunities? It's not just about affordability, interest rates, or even the economy. The real reason goes much deeper, and most people don't even realize they're being influenced in ways that hold them back. I've been in the real estate since 2012, and together with my team, we sold over $500 million worth of real estate. I don't say this to impress you. I say it because I've had a front row seat to hundreds of real estate decisions, both good and bad. And after seeing so many people hesitate at the wrong time and later regret it, I want to help you cut through the noise and make the best choices for you and your family. Now, let me be clear. I'm not the kind of realtor who tells everyone it's always a good time to buy. That's just not true. And I refuse to push that narrative. But I do know many people who should have bought when the opportunity was right in front of them, yet they didn't. Why? Fear, hesitation, or simply making the wrong call. And now they live with regret. So here's the real question. Why do so many people make the wrong decision? One major factor is something I call noise. The overwhelming flood of information, especially on social media and YouTube, creates so much noise that people get paralyzed. Every time you open an app, you're bombarded with content designed to grab and hold your attention. But here's the catch. Most of it isn't there to inform you. It's there to control what you think, what you click on, and what you believe. And that's where real estate decisions start going sideways. Over the last 5 to 10 years, people have increasingly made decisions based on what they see online. That's a fact. But here's the thing. It's not just the information shaping your choices. It's the algorithm. So platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, they all track what you watch, what you search, what you like, and then they feed you more of the same. So what's the result? A constant loop of content reinforcing your fears and biases. But that's only one side of the equation. On the other side, content creators are competing for clicks, for your views, for your attention. They need your attention to grow their channels. So they use sensational headlines, exaggerated thumbnails, and fear-driven content. And let's be honest, how many ways can someone talk about the real estate market without making it sound dramatic? A simple update like, the Fed lowered rates by a quarter point won't get you clicks. However, the market is crashing, do this now. Now that gets views. And here's the sad truth. Many people have delayed homeownership simply because they got caught up in this clickbait cycle. I personally know several people who were ready to buy 5 years ago, but held off because some so-called expert on YouTube claimed a market crash was coming. I would even get videos sent in my inbox with comments like, see, I told you so. Market crash is right here, right around the corner. Fast forward 5 years, and those same people are still renting and regretting. The problem is there's no accountability. These creators, they don't care if their predictions are wrong because there are no consequences for them. They move on to the next dramatic headline while real families miss out on real opportunities. Now let's be real. How can someone sitting in Florida accurately predict what's going to happen in Sacramento, California? Real estate, as we know, is very local. Auburn, California isn't the same as Oroville, California, and Sacramento is completely different from Tampa, Florida market. So why would someone living in Auburn make life-changing decisions based on what's happening in Tampa, Florida? But unfortunately, many people do. And while YouTubers chase views, hardworking Americans are left making wrong decisions for their future. So the next time you see a dramatic headline like, housing market collapse incoming, pause and ask yourself, is this coming from a local real estate professional who actually understands my market? Or is this just another attention-grabbing post designed to keep me clicking and watching? Because making a decision based on wrong information doesn't just affect you today. It can shape your future for years to come. Okay, So if this video helped you think differently about real estate, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want real insights from someone actually in the field, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, don't let the noise make your decisions for you. Focus on signal, not noise.